In this tutorial, I will show how to make your blog post or discussion thread even more attractive by adding a video file. First, you need to upload your file on Vimeo or on YouTube. I prefer YouTube. And when you want to put your video in body of your blog post or discussion thread, first you should choose it from your YouTube channel or any other video from another channel. I will choose This Evening in Summer School, Pestalozzi. It is very attractive. So, okay, click on share. So you will find share and don't choose it, choose embed code, then copy it. It is already highlighted, so all you need to do is to copy, go back to your blog post, click on icon media, and you will find a dialog open in the middle of the screen. Paste your embed code, click on OK. It not looks so fine, but it will be fine. Click on preview before publishing. And here you can see that your video clip is in the body of your message. All you need to do is to click now on publish post.